It is literally 7:04. I just got home. I got McDonald's. I got me a Happy Meal. And we're gonna pack. We're gonna pack. So it's freaking late. I haven't ate and I'm gonna eat some McDonald's because I'm starving. I also want to take off these lashes. I'm gonna put some glasses on. Okay. Hello. So I'm gonna eat right now. I'll catch y'all boos when I'm done eating and we're gonna start packing. Hello. Okay, I'm back. So I just take a break, but I want to take a moment. I want to say thank you to Timmy for sending me this amazing tumbler cup. And I recently just got a package yesterday. Yeah, Tuesday. My Instagram made a story, so I wanted to mention to my fellow friends that don't follow me on my Instagram yet. But I'm gonna talk about this. It's the Gut Love probiotic and prebiotic powder. It has 20 billion probiotics in 7 strains. It's triple berry flavor. This really helps for like balancing your bloating, you know, with the health digestive system. And this really like, you know, good bacteria cleans out like the bad bacteria. So you're supposed to take this like 30 days. It's a dietary supplement and it's vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy, soy-free, sugar-free, corn-free, and no binders. And you can mix it with water or with a smoothie. It's been my 3rd day today and I just do it with a cold water and I just put 1 scoop and it's amazing. It's really good. You get like a hint of a taste, not strong. And I love the pink tumbler. So look at this. And it does come out at the bottom. You can put powder in here. You can put your vitamins or whatever you would like to put under there. And it does have a strain, but like I didn't put it in today. But yeah, and it has a little holder, a little strap so you can hold it. You know, want to look bougie, you know. I work out, but I really don't work out. I'm a fitness girl. You know, I really been loving it. So the Gut Love is amazing. So that's what it looks like. So that's what it is, and it's really, really good. And I really love it. So yeah, I guess like great vitamins for your stomach. You know, if you're not active or you're stressed or lack of sleep, I think what it was. It really helps just, you know, cleanse your body and be healthy. So I want to say thank you to Timmy for these great items. I love it. And you know, if you haven't already, boos, use my coupon code. I have a coupon code. Go in my description, and every video I always have a coupon code. And for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, I'm gonna have 50% off. What do you say, Daniel? Yes, girl, I'm gonna have 50% off. So, you know, make sure I'm always on my Instagram and I'll be posting it on there. And of course, I'll post it on the community page on here too, so I can let y'all know. So, you know, I always have some deals. And make sure you buy, because you know, these are great Christmas gifts. You know, you can buy anything. Like I told you, I love the detox mask. I love the serum, the vitamin C serum. I love, what else? Oh, the cleanser. I finished that and I freaking love it. And what else did I get? That's all I tried. And then now I got the powder, something really different. I'm really glad I got something different besides like beauty, skincare and stuff like that. So I'm really glad I got something like this. I really love it. So I really do recommend this. So far it's been my 3rd day, but you know, I'm gonna try to drink this whole month and see, like, you know, how I be looking. But yeah, anyways, let's start packing. Honestly, boos, I honestly don't know what to pack. Like, I've never been this late before packing. I'm always ahead, and now I'm late. So I'm like really dehydrated because I ate so fast. So I can hurry up and make the video and I can lay down and I have homework, but I don't even know if I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it because I'm a good girl. So I gotta see my other friends and see. I got people texting me. Okay, let's turn off my ringer. So, I was thinking about, because next week is my birthday, boo. I'm gonna be 20. Yes, oh, I know. So, we're gonna go out of town for the weekend. Go to this nice dinner. I've never been there before. I have no clue outfits, but I'm bringing my suitcase and we're gonna see. And I got packing cubes. Yes, girl, got packing cubes. I need to get makeup bags, for sure. I want to get the Victoria's Secret ones, but I don't know. So I'm gonna get my bag, get my packing bag, and I'll be right back. 3, 2. Okay, so I brought my stuff in, and let's ready to pack. So got that on there. So I wanted to show y'all the little packing cubes I have. Yes, girl, your girl finally got packing cubes. And then we have my room here. She's laying on a towel because she's very cold. So you see that. That's her. So I did get these JJ Power traveling packing cubes, and I got in like this nude shade because you know me, I love the nude. So, and it comes with 2 large bags, 1 medium, 2 small, and 1 shoe bag. So this is the color. Super, super cute. And I haven't used them, so this will be the first time. And I'm pretty excited. So, your girl finally got some. I'm so happy. So, let's get myself ready. I planned some outfits because that takes the longest, honestly. Because I like to look on Pinterest to see like an idea, like what should I do? So, I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all, ouch, shoot, the outfits I planned out. So, tomorrow when I get out of school, when I get out of school, it's not I'm going to wear. So, okay. So, the jeans I'm gonna be wearing are my Shein jeans. They were these like nice ones. I'll probably put a link on my Instagram or on the description. So I'm gonna be wearing these jeans, and I'm gonna be wearing this pretty little thing top, and I think it's a really cute outfit with my Air Forces. Of course, it's like the daily must. I really need to get new shoes. So, anyways, but yeah, I'm wearing these, and then Friday I think we're gonna go out to dinner. So this is gonna be like birthday outfit, out of town weekend. You know, this is like the vibe I'm going for. So okay, I don't even know if I can show this on here honestly, but I'm gonna wear this lingerie top, yeah, and with some black leather leggings. They're from Target, super cheap, and I got this thrifted, so I can't really link this, but it's just like this brown jacket. And I'm going to wear it with some black heels. So I think that's a really cute outfit. And after that, because I don't want to be in that all day, because the girl wants to relax. So I'm just going to wear some black leggings and this just to take just in case. And then when I come back home, this is the outfit I planned. Gray joggers, you know, the vibes. And I'm going to wear this brown caramel bodysuit with my jacket. I think I wore twice on my videos, but yes, I'm gonna wear that jacket with my Air Forces too. So I planned my outfits. Yes, girl, yes. So I'm gonna pack those up, and I already packed my undergarments already. They're already quick and easy, and all I gotta do is just pack my makeup, my skincare, facts, you know, all the biz. I'll probably throw the large one. I'll wear some Christmas ones from Old Navy. This shirt, this one. And we're gonna put our undergarment in there. It's just our little pieces. Where should I put this? I should put this right here. Okay, so now we're gonna do our makeup, skincare bag. I'll tell you, my mind is gone real. Okay, so far this is the bags I'm going to be taking. This will probably be my skincare bag. So let's start off with the makeup. I do have a lot of samples from Sephora. So we're gonna see if this stuff fits in here. Cause I don't got enough room. Okay. So first off, I have a hand sanitizer, but will it be enough? Okay, I shall just take that. So I have my hand sanitizer. And then I go in with some moisturizer. Okay, I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury travel size. If I can find that. I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Travel as my moisturizer because it's good stuff. So, okay, moisturizer. Can't forget the sunscreen. So I'm just gonna pack that. And my Laneige lip balm because I always use this every morning. I do have the one size here, the Blur primer. So I'm gonna take that as primer. I should probably put the moisturizer in my skincare bag so I won't forget. I'm gonna take my Sephora foundation. This is the best skin ever. I'm gonna take that. Probably, oh yeah, and I have a Huda Beauty one. Oh, this is hair oil. I did get a lot of samples, boo, so just to let y'all know. So I'm gonna take eyebrows, and then for bronzer, I'm gonna take my NARS Alamar Cosmetic Blush Palette. I have this I Heart Revolution. It's like rose gold. Take this one. This one's cute. So I'm gonna take that one because I want to do like a cute look. So I don't know if I'll use them or not, but I have this NYX Jumbo white liner. This is going out like crazy, and thank God I found one. So, and then I got this NYX Epic Wear waterproof liner, and it's like eye and body. Let me know if this is good because I heard mixed reviews about this, and I don't know if it's like a bomb or anything because I need a white liner, and I saw this one, so I was like, why not? Let me try it. And it's waterproof, so I never had a white liner before, so I'm just gonna take it. Best mascara, eyebrow gel. For sure tape if I'm gonna do a look. My black Wet n Wild liner, and I'm gonna take my Milani Super Cool eyeliner. Maybe if I want to do like a waterline, maybe in black. Maybe, I don't know. So I'll just take that. Then, okay, that's done. I believe that's all of my makeup. It's just like for eyeshadow and lip combos. You know, maybe my lip combos. I'm gonna have a lot of lip combos. So now I'm gonna do like a little bit of hair because I'm gonna take my curling wand. And then for hair, I'm gonna take like my leftover Way leave-in conditioner. Good stuff. Grab one because it's better than the other brushes. Being for real. Okay, right here I'm taking my Moroccan Oil Luminous Hairspray in Stronghold. Good stuff. And I'm gonna take this fairy dust. I got this recently because I saw it on TikTok. The dusting powder. You just put this all over your body and it gives you like a nice little glittery glow and bubblegum. Like, who doesn't love that? Bubblegum smell on you? Like, oh. So I'm gonna show like my nieces and nephews a little bit so they can try it. So yeah, I got this at Lush. It was like $10. I saw on TikTok and it was going viral. I was like, I need that. So I want to go grab it. I'm just gonna stick that in there. For perfume, what should I take? Oh, I got a sample. Well, my mom did actually got me a sample of Miss Dior fragrance, and booze. If you haven't smelled that, that smells so amazing. I feel like Miss Dior is like a great scent to like wear. So I'm gonna take that. Put this in my little thing. So I'm gonna take my gold hoops with, I guess, this set. I usually like wearing this set. My initial and a little chain. I think all my outfits will look good with this. So for snacks, I never tried these and my friend put me on and they're so good. So I'm gonna take these. It's in my backpack. And then lifesavers. Okay, I have leftover candy. I'm gonna take the rest of my Tootsie Roll lollipops. Rice Krispie treats. I'll take me these Made Good Chocolate Drizzle Granola Bar. If you haven't tried these, they're from Target. They're so good. I take these for lunch. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So if you have any questions about Teamy, what I showed y'all earlier today, leave a comment down below. Yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.